Good morning. So it's nice weather to do some transport. It's raining. We have to one farm. We have to bring 5 or 6 truckloads of manure, and today it's a nice day to do it. But the weather is not nice, so maybe put one tank in a container and we have a look how it goes on the field. If it's okay, we keep on going. If not, yeah, we do some going back to some maintenance. So as you can see, it's raining, getting wet. It's not nice weather. We stand outside. It's better to stay in the cab. But you have to put that all that government shit in, connect the hose, and then start sucking, filling the tank. Cows are waiting too, and it keeps on raining. So the plan is first to fill one container, then I'm gonna pick up the other load, and then call the guy on the Vervaart, and then he can unload this container. I can put it in, and then he can go somewhere else. So that's the plan for today. Morning. So next day it's nice and dry. That's Bert with the Vervaart. Nice. Those air horns. Morning, shopping time. Nice long fields, 1800 meters to kilometers. Last swap for this week, and then time for a nice barbecue and some beer. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.